Well, volatility is an output of macroeconomic conditions, and clearly exchanges are here to solve the issues and to facilitate decisions made by investors and to provide financing to issuers. So clearly, what is important in those very high volatility environment and circumstances is to make sure that all platforms are resilient and are absorbing the massive flows that are characteristic, that are specific in those extreme situations. So indeed, we have been a facilitator to smooth the impact of the current external shocks on our economies.
I mean, certainly the volatility has dampened the enthusiasm for listings, hasn't it? We've seen a lot of listings either postponed, cancelled, or perhaps valuations at a lower than expected level. What is your outlook with regards to listings over the next 6 months?
Well, the pipeline of great companies that need to secure their growth with the equity is there. The pipeline of great companies that have reached a level of maturity and for which initial investors are seeking some form of liquidity is there. So the IPO and the listings are going to continue to be the solution for investors and for issuers. For the moment, because of the volatility on prices and markets, there is a pause in the number of IPOs, but it's not stopped. I mean, since the beginning of the year, we had 41 listings on Euronext markets compared to 100 in the first semester last year, which was an extremely good semester. So it continues to be active. We get approximately 25% of those listings coming from international companies that decide to list on European market on Euronext. So we are attracting foreign organizations, non-European companies on Euronext markets because we trade 25% of the equities traded in Europe. So I'm cautious, but on the listing outlook. But the companies are there, the issuers are there, the investors are there. We just need some more stability on pricing.